How to use the VFI Qwik spray gun. Equipment needed includes the VFI 7500 Qwik spray gun, 750 ml dual cartridges, an air regulator kit with air supply hose, and an air compressor. First, remove the spray gun and air regulator kit from the boxes and plastic packaging. Second, screw the Qwik Connect hose coupling onto the T-fitting. Then, screw the T-fitting onto the bottom of the spray gun trigger handle. Third, insert the air supply hose into the push to connect fitting on the left side of the regulator. Note: when disconnecting the air supply hose, press the push to connect fitting to release it. Next, attach the provided handle to one of the 6 spots on the front plate of the spray gun. When you are ready to spray, connect an air compressor hose to the Qwik Connect hose coupling. To control the coating flow, twist the air pressure regulator knob clockwise for increased flow or counterclockwise for decreased. Push the forward/reverse switch on the rear of the gun to move the stabilizing plates forward while spraying, and backward to remove empty cartridges. Remove a cartridge from the box and plastic packaging. If material separation occurs, shake until uniform. Heat to at least 75 degrees Fahrenheit, but do not microwave. Keep the cartridge nose up to prevent components from mixing. Remove the red safety cap from the cartridge threading. Then, slowly remove the white anti-separation cap. If the cartridge is warm or heated unevenly, material may come out. Place the provided static mix tip on the plastic threading and hand tighten the attached nut to the base. The static mix tip should sit snug on the threading with no gaps or cross-threading. Load the cartridge into the gun frame, label side up, and place the rear of the cartridge over the plungers. Keep the cartridge and mix tip nose up to prevent the A and B material from crossing and flowing into the mix tip. Connect the elbow fitting on the air supply hose to the static mix tip for atomization. Turn on the atomizer by opening the ball valve near the gun handle. Twist the knob on the regulator to adjust for the desired texture. VFI recommends starting between 60 and 90 psi. Visit our blog using the link below for more detailed instructions and spray tips.